Many of us have the desire to start a YouTube channel years before we actually do it. At 14, I made my first ever videos. This was just some cringy gaming videos that I'd make after school, where I'd try and emulate my favourite creators. I stopped because I cared too much about what others thought about it. It then took me around 7 years to build the confidence up to go for it again. The fact is, a lot of us hold ourselves back from making a channel just because of what other people will think about it. But the reality is, no one cares. And those that do and tear you down for it aren't worth your time and attention. And imagine how far you or I could have gone if we'd have started back then and ignored everyone. So if you have a slight feeling that you want to start a YouTube channel, doesn't matter what niche it's on, what knowledge you have, just start. Stop talking about how one day you'll try. Put in the groundwork now and build your skills up. The benefits of a YouTube channel is much more than you may initially think. You can make a YouTube channel around whatever skills or hobbies you have, or what line of work and career you're in. And this can do much more than just get you a few subscribers. Making my last channel helped me get my full-time job that I'm in right now. And it's helped various people I know get more opportunity in their chosen fields. If you're studying maths or training to be a doctor, or you want to be a football coach, making a channel around this thing and common mistakes and tips and tricks not only teaches you more about the topic and builds your skills, but it displays to everyone about your knowledge and your love for the topic, which can incredibly increase your chances of getting hired or getting into that university. It really is a cheat code when you're applying to positions, and it will get you ahead of everyone else around you that don't have the catalogue of videos and experience that you do. But you may think it's too late in 2024. Every niche is too saturated. How am I going to get views when there's all these massive creators? But it's definitely not too late. There's creators today reaching their first 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 subscribers. And this isn't necessarily because they reinvented the wheel. They just added their own personality and opinion to topics. The reality is, almost every question has been answered on YouTube now. But that doesn't mean that your audience doesn't want to hear from you, the way you explain it, and your personality added to it. You have to expect that this channel is going to take a long time to build though. At the start, you will have to set aside a lot of time to learn how to make videos better, how to market videos better, etc. If you work full time like me or study full time, this will be the tough part. To see my experience of how I still make quality content alongside a full-time job and how to make sure this doesn't get in the way, watch this video right here. And to see more value from myself, please hit that subscribe button. Peace.